Henrietta Lacks was born Loretta Pleasant on August 1, 1920, in Roanoke, Virginia, a small city nestled in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Her birth marked the beginning of a life that would, unknowingly, have a profound impact on the world of medicine and science, a legacy far exceeding the quiet life she lived in the rural South. Her childhood was shaped by the realities of rural poverty and the pervasive segregation of the Jim Crow South. The Pleasant family, like many African Americans at the time, worked the land, struggling to make ends meet. Loretta, the youngest of 5 children, experienced a childhood marked by hard work, close family ties, and the ever-present backdrop of racial injustice. Her early education, limited by the resources available to Black children in the segregated South, provided a foundation, but it was far from the privileged education enjoyed by many of her white contemporaries. The family moved frequently, seeking better opportunities, a constant reminder of the challenges faced by many Black families during this era. These early experiences of displacement and economic hardship would undoubtedly shape her resilience and resourcefulness later in life. The family's move to Clover, Virginia, proved pivotal. It was there that young Loretta met her future husband, David Lacks, a man who shared her hardworking spirit and deep family connections. Their courtship and eventual marriage in 1941 represented a significant turning point in her life, a shift from the relative independence of her youth to the responsibilities of marriage and family life. Their union, a testament to their shared cultural values and resilience, would produce 5 children, a family that would become the anchor of Henrietta's life, a source of both joy and profound sorrow in the years to come. The early years of their marriage were marked by the daily struggles of making a living, raising a family, and navigating the complex racial landscape of the South. Their life, like that of many families in their community, was a constant negotiation of poverty, discrimination, and the unwavering strength of family bonds. The Lacks family eventually found themselves in Turner Station, Maryland, a predominantly Black community located just outside of Baltimore. This move represented a search for better opportunities, a common pursuit for many African Americans migrating north during the Great Migration. Life in Turner Station presented both challenges and opportunities. While the community offered a sense of belonging and shared cultural heritage, the realities of racial inequality and economic hardship remained persistent. Henrietta found work as a tobacco farmer, a physically demanding job that reflected the limited opportunities available to Black women at the time. Despite the challenges, she remained a devoted wife and mother, ensuring her family had food on the table and a roof over their heads. Her life was a testament to the strength and resilience of her spirit, a constant struggle against adversity. In 1951, Henrietta's life took an unexpected and irreversible turn. She was diagnosed with cervical cancer, a disease that would change the course of her life, and unbeknownst to her, the future of medical science. The diagnosis was delivered at the Johns Hopkins Hospital, a prestigious institution that, despite its reputation, reflected the stark racial disparities in healthcare prevalent during the era. The treatment she received was, by necessity, within the constraints of the medical understanding and technology of the time. The lack of access to advanced treatments and the pervasive racial biases within the healthcare system highlighted the inequalities faced by Black patients, a stark reality that contributed to the complexities of her story. The experience of seeking medical care during this period was a poignant reflection of the systemic disadvantages faced by many African Americans, a burden that added another layer of difficulty to her already challenging circumstances. The treatment of Henrietta's cancer involved a biopsy, a seemingly routine procedure that would have far-reaching and unforeseen consequences. Cells were extracted from her cervix, and these cells, unlike any others before them, possessed an unprecedented ability to replicate indefinitely. These cells, known as HeLa cells, became immortal, capable of continuous growth and division in a laboratory setting. This discovery, initially made without Henrietta's knowledge or consent, marked a pivotal moment in medical history. The HeLa cells became an invaluable tool for researchers worldwide, contributing to groundbreaking advancements in medicine, including the development of the polio vaccine, cancer research, and gene mapping. The significance of this discovery cannot be overstated. It revolutionized medical research and propelled countless scientific breakthroughs. However, the story of Henrietta Lacks' cells extends far beyond the scientific advancements they facilitated. The lack of informed consent and the ethical implications surrounding the use of her cells without her knowledge or permission sparked a decades-long debate about medical ethics, patient rights, and the exploitation of vulnerable populations. The narrative surrounding HeLa cells became intertwined with broader discussions about race, class, and the power dynamics within the medical establishment. The story highlighted the uncomfortable truth that scientific progress often comes at a cost, particularly for marginalized communities. The lack of transparency and the initial disregard for Henrietta's family's feelings and rights added a layer of ethical complexity that continues to be debated and analyzed. The impact of HeLa cells on medical research is undeniable. They have been instrumental in countless studies, contributing to advancements in virology, immunology, genetics, and numerous other fields. Their unique ability to replicate indefinitely provided researchers with an unprecedented opportunity to study cellular processes, develop new treatments, and understand the mechanisms of disease. The development of the polio vaccine, a triumph of modern medicine, relied heavily on the use of HeLa cells, a testament to their crucial role in eradicating a devastating disease. Furthermore, HeLa cells have played a crucial role in understanding and treating cancer, contributing to a deeper understanding of its development and progression. Their use in gene mapping and other genetic research has fundamentally altered our understanding of human genetics, paving the way for numerous advancements in genetic medicine. While the scientific contributions of HeLa cells are undeniable, the ethical implications of their use remain a complex and sensitive issue. The initial lack of informed consent from Henrietta Lacks raised profound questions about the ethical responsibilities of researchers and the rights of patients. The story highlights the systemic inequalities within the medical system, particularly the disproportionate impact on marginalized communities. The lack of transparency and the initial failure to acknowledge Henrietta's contribution to scientific progress fueled a sense of injustice and frustration within her family. This led to a protracted struggle for recognition and compensation, a fight that continues to resonate with discussions about equitable access to health care and the ethical implications of medical research. The Lacks family's journey to understand and come to terms with Henrietta's legacy has been a long and arduous one. For decades, they remained largely unaware of the significant impact their mother's cells had on the world of medicine. Their discovery of this untold story was met with a mix of emotions: shock, anger, grief, and a growing sense of injustice. The family struggled to gain access to information about Henrietta's cells, and their use in research highlighted the lack of transparency within the medical establishment. Their subsequent fight for recognition and compensation for Henrietta's contribution to science has brought to light the ethical complexities of medical research and the importance of informed consent. The family's story serves as a powerful reminder of the human cost of scientific progress and the need for greater transparency and accountability in medical research. The story of Henrietta Lacks and HeLa cells has sparked a profound and ongoing conversation about the ethics of medical research, the importance of informed consent, and the need for equitable access to health care. The legacy of HeLa cells serves as a poignant reminder of the complexities and ethical dilemmas inherent in scientific advancement. The lack of informed consent in Henrietta's case highlights the historical and systemic inequalities in healthcare, particularly for marginalized communities. The family's struggle for recognition and compensation has brought these issues to the forefront of public discourse, prompting important conversations about patient rights, the responsibilities of researchers, and the ethical implications of scientific innovation. The ongoing debate surrounding Henrietta's legacy underscores the importance of ethical considerations in all aspects of medical research. The story of Henrietta Lacks is not merely a scientific narrative. It is a deeply human story of family, love, loss, and the struggle for recognition and justice. Henrietta's life, though cut short by illness, had a profound and lasting impact on the world. Her cells, unknowingly contributing to monumental advancements in medicine, have left an indelible mark on the history of science. However, her story also serves as a cautionary tale, highlighting the ethical complexities and potential for exploitation within medical research. The family's struggle to understand and come to terms with their mother's legacy underscores the importance of informed consent, equitable access to health care, and the ethical treatment of all individuals within the medical system. The narrative of Henrietta Lacks is a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit and the ongoing struggle for justice and recognition. The impact of Henrietta Lacks's legacy continues to resonate today. Her story has become a symbol of the ethical challenges and systemic inequalities within the medical system. Her cells, immortalized in laboratories worldwide, continue to contribute to medical research and scientific advancements. However, the ethical complexities surrounding the use of her cells remain a subject of ongoing debate and discussion. The story of Henrietta Lacks serves as a powerful reminder of the need for informed consent, transparency in medical research, and the importance of respecting the rights and dignity of all individuals, regardless of their race, class, or socioeconomic status. Her legacy is a complex tapestry woven from scientific progress, ethical dilemmas, and the enduring struggle for social justice. It is a story that continues to challenge us to confront the ethical implications of scientific advancement and strive for a more equitable and just healthcare system. The ongoing discussions surrounding Henrietta Lacks's legacy have led to significant changes in medical research practices. Increased emphasis on informed consent, stricter regulations regarding the use of human tissue samples, and a greater focus on equitable access to healthcare are just some of the positive outcomes spurred by her story. Her legacy serves as a catalyst for reform, pushing for greater transparency and accountability within the medical establishment. The establishment of the Henrietta Lacks Foundation, dedicated to supporting her family and promoting ethical research practices, is a testament to the lasting impact of her story. The Foundation's work continues to advocate for patients' rights and promote responsible conduct in scientific research. It also serves as a platform to educate the public about the importance of informed consent and the ethical considerations surrounding the use of human biological materials. Henrietta Lacks's story has become a powerful symbol of the intersection of science, ethics, and social justice. Her life, though tragically cut short, has had a profound and lasting impact on the world. Her cells, while contributing to groundbreaking medical advancements, also serve as a reminder of the need for ethical considerations and responsible conduct in scientific research. The ongoing dialogue surrounding her legacy continues to shape medical practices, promote patient rights, and advocate for equitable access to health care. Henrietta Lacks's story is a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit and the ongoing struggle for justice and recognition. It is a complex and compelling narrative that continues to inspire reflection, discussion, and positive change within the scientific community and beyond. Her legacy is one of both immense scientific contribution and a profound call for ethical responsibility. The narrative of Henrietta Lacks is a multifaceted exploration of the complexities of medical progress, the ethical responsibilities of researchers, and the enduring legacy of a woman whose cells have revolutionized modern medicine. Her story continues to serve as a powerful reminder of the human cost of scientific advancement and the importance of upholding ethical principles in all aspects of medical research. The ongoing discussions and debates surrounding her legacy continue to shape the landscape of medical ethics, prompting greater transparency, stricter regulations, and a renewed emphasis on patient rights and informed consent. Henrietta Lacks' story is not just a historical account. It is a living testament to the ongoing struggle for social justice and the need for continuous dialogue and reflection on the ethical implications of scientific progress. The legacy of Henrietta Lacks transcends the scientific realm, extending into broader discussions about race, class, and the systemic inequalities within the healthcare system. Her story underscores the disproportionate impact of medical injustices on marginalized communities and highlights the need for greater equity and access to quality healthcare for all. Her life serves as a powerful example of the resilience and strength of the human spirit, a testament to the unwavering bond of family and the enduring struggle for recognition and justice. The ongoing efforts to ensure her story is accurately told and her contribution to science is appropriately acknowledged continue to inspire advocacy and reform within the medical and scientific communities. Her legacy is a powerful call for ethical responsibility, social justice, and a commitment to ensuring that future medical advancements are achieved with respect, transparency, and equitable access for all. The story of Henrietta Lacks serves as a case study in the ethical complexities of medical research and the importance of informed consent. It highlights the historical context of medical practices and the systemic biases that have historically disadvantaged marginalized communities. The ongoing dialogue surrounding her legacy continues to shape medical ethics and policy, leading to more stringent regulations, increased transparency, and greater emphasis on patient autonomy and informed consent. The establishment of ethical review boards and stricter guidelines for the use of human tissue samples are direct results of the ethical considerations raised by Henrietta's case. Her story serves as a cautionary tale and a catalyst for reform, ensuring that future medical research is conducted with greater respect for the rights and dignity of all individuals. In conclusion, Henrietta Lacks' story is a powerful and multifaceted narrative that intertwines personal tragedy with groundbreaking scientific advancements. Her life, though tragically cut short, had an immeasurable impact on the world of medicine and beyond. The immortal cells derived from her body have revolutionized medical research and contributed to countless life-saving treatments. However, the ethical considerations surrounding the use of her cells without her knowledge or consent have sparked a crucial dialogue about informed consent, patient rights, and the responsibilities of researchers. Henrietta Lacks' legacy is a complex and compelling one, a testament to the power of the human spirit and a poignant reminder of the need for ethical considerations in all aspects of scientific progress. Her story continues to inspire reflection, discussion, and positive change within the scientific community and beyond, ensuring that the lessons learned from her experience are applied to future medical research and healthcare practices. Her immortal cells live on, a constant reminder of the need for ethical conduct and the pursuit of a more equitable and just future for all.